Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution. Hope so you are good. Friends, today I'm gonna show you that how to block and unblock any contacts in BIP app. Sometimes we can feel disturbed from someone. On that case, you should know this trick. So if you block someone on BIP app, you should know also how to unblock. To know this setting, please watch the whole video, and if you didn't subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution yet, please subscribe now and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Friends, to block and unblock any contacts or any mobile number, you have to go on BIP app. Then you have to click on More at the bottom right corner. Then you have to scroll down and you have to click on Settings. Then you have to click on Blocked Contacts. Then you'll get an interface like this. And from here you have to click at the top right corner on human plus sign. So click on it. Then here you'll find all the contacts who are using BIP app. And from here you have to select which contact you want to block. Like I want to block the last one. So select this contact. Then you have to come at the bottom right corner and you can see here forward sign. So you have to click on it. Then here you will find all the blocked contacts. I just blocked only one contact. That's why here is only one contact. If you want to check this contact has been blocked or not, just tap on it and scroll down and see. There is written unblock contact. That means it has been blocked, right? So go back. Now if you want to unblock any contact, you have to click on More at the bottom right corner. Then you have to click on Settings. Then you have to click on Blocked Contacts. And here you will find all the blocked contacts. You have to tap on the contact which one you want to unblock. So tap on it. Then scroll down and here you will find unblock contact. You have to tap on it again and see there is it now block contact. That means it has been unblocked, right? So go back and see there is no contact, right? So like this you can block and unblock any contact or mobile number on BIP app. To block and unblock any contact or mobile number on BIP app, if you face any problem, feel free to ask me in comment box. I'll try to give answer as soon as possible. Friends, if you want more videos on BIP app, please write in comment box. I'll try to make next video on that topic. Friends, if this video helpful to you, please like, share, comment and especially subscribe my YouTube channel 5 Minute Solution and press the bell icon to get next video notifications. Thank you for watching this video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.